What's going on, guys? So you probably saw in the last video where I talked about Larry getting a new setup. So you might have guessed what wheels and tires we're going to be using, and today we are actually going to be bringing them back to life because I'm looking at them right now. They look absolutely horrible. So let's check them out. So if y'all thought these looked pretty rough, yes, 2 lug nuts. Y'all ain't seen Larry's stocks because these things are used and abused since '97. So we're gonna have to rejuvenate these things. I'm sure a lot of y'all's wheels probably look very similar. Insane brake dust. The barrel's just absolutely obliterated. Probably never since '97 had the inside of these wheels cleaned. I mean, that is just insane brake dust buildup. But we got to bring these things back to life if we plan on Larry actually looking good, even with a nice mud tire. If these things look this bad, Larry's just not going to be happy. So I've got a couple different things that I'm going to try using today. I am no professional, but I am definitely a DIYer. So we're going to give it a shot. Let's start with pressure washing the crap out of these things, give them a good hand wash, see where we're at, and then go from there, bust out some chemicals, see how clean we get these things looking. Let's try some wheel cleaner on these bad boys. Start off with that. Let that sit for about 30 seconds and we'll scrub it and spray it off and see what kind of results we get. Started on the back of the wheel, I wanted to do a little comparison between untouched and our quick little cleanup job. I mean, that looks incredible if I do say so. From a wheel from '97 using just basic stuff to clean it up, I mean, that looks awesome. So much better, and of course will look amazing once we get some good tires on this thing. Larry, you're gonna be looking pretty good on the stocks, boy. So yeah, I'm really excited with the results right there. Obviously the wheel still got some water on it, but going from this, which is just crummy, rusty, terrible looking, to this, it's gonna be awesome. And as you can see, some of the brake dust off the drum actually came off when we cleaned the wheel. So I think that wheel cleaner right there is actually gonna clean the backside good, which I don't even know if we really should clean it because it looks pretty good like this with just the face popping. You don't really see the inside, but we might try to tackle cleaning the inside as well. Might as well try it, you know, whatever. So anyways, there's your little side-by-side before we get started on the back. Awesome results so far. It's not gonna be a brand new wheel, but it's gonna look a whole lot better than that. So let's go ahead and start on the rear. So here's our final results. Here's the front. This one is the one we've cleaned up, obviously. This is untouched, aside from being sprayed off earlier. Quite the big difference. But if we flip this over, let's flip that. Let's flip that. All right, so untouched. Who knows how many years? Pretty terrible looking. And then this. I didn't go too crazy on this because you can't see that, right? From looking at the front of the wheel, you cannot see behind that, so that doesn't really matter. But the barrel of this thing, I mean, that's that's crazy difference right there. There's obviously still some little imperfections. This is like skint places from some kind of tool. This is, we could clean this off more, which I might, but I'm not too particular. I mean, this is like a million times better. So yeah, I'm pretty tickled. We used, this stuff was pretty much the game changer. Eagle One chrome wheel cleaner. And then that little brush right there, once I got that, it's like a kitchen sponge. Dude, unreal how big of a difference that made. Letting that stuff soak for 30 seconds to a minute, and then getting after it with that little brush, little scrubbing pad. Now when we get the tires in, it's gonna look a million times better than these things in their crummy current state. Just got done finishing up all the wheels. I gotta clean the center caps as well, but overall the wheels came out absolutely amazing from what they were. I am super pleased. This stuff worked wonders. Eagle One chrome wheel cleaner, and then just that little kitchen, whatever that's called. Dude, you can get this knocked out in no time, and that stuff just eats all the crap, dust, whatever. The mess off the wheels is gone. Spray that, let it sit for 30 seconds to a minute, scrub it, dude, it's gone. So are they brand new? No. Are they absolutely amazing looking for a 1997 stock wheel? Yes, yes they are. So, I mean, I think they turned out really, really good. I mean, you're not really going to see the back, but it is amazing how clean they actually came. So, super impressed. I think a lot of y'all maybe will benefit from this, because probably still rocking your stock wheels, and they look like these used to look. And now, just, I think this was like 12 bucks, I think. This, a little scrubby, 30 minutes to an hour of your time, and your wheels can look a million times better. So I'm stoked to get my mud tires in and get Larry looking right. So hopefully this video did help y'all once again. And if you did enjoy, leave a like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Leave a like for sure if you like Larry content. Pump the likes up. Let's get 1,000 likes on this thing, and I'll just keep pushing Larry content. So with all that being said, hopefully you did enjoy. I'll see y'all in the next one.